Guys, this is what they don't tell you about moving abroad though. It's snowing, you clear out the snow on your car yourself. Nobody does it for you. Nobody. Before you go out, you clean out the snow.
Before you go out, you have to first of all start the car from your house.
Yes, start the car and warm it up. Then when you come down, you clean out the snow. Hello Chris. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Guys, you're highly welcome. My name is Ijawanne. If today is your first time tuning into my channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Alright, turn on your post notification bell so that whenever I put up new videos you get notification. I'm here at the back seat, guys, with baby Chris. Yes, we are on our way right now. My husband is in the front there driving. Guys, Père de Noël, yeah, Santa gifted our kids lots of presents. We received a call from their doctor, my kids' pediatricians, right? They said, oh, Santa's gift has arrived for your kids. Come pick them up. Guys, we have 2 different locations, right? We're going to the first place. We'll go pick up this Christmas present for all the 3 kids, Nico, Samuel, and Chris, right? And we head over to the next place. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's Christmas. Show love to people as much as you can, right? Yes. So guys, we'll take you guys along and we hope you enjoy this video. Let's go.
I didn't know if you had a car or not, and I was thinking, oh my, I hope she does. Because
Yeah. We have a car.
How's your baby?
He's in the car.
He is?
Yeah. I'll just pick this up.
He's doing good, so maybe we can meet each other after Christmas.
Yeah, after Christmas.
Look at that.
Wow. We have, so this is for, let me check the name.
This is for Nicole.
Nicole from Santa. Wow, that's a big box.
Yeah, this is for Chris.
Let me see. Wow, my baby Chris. Wow, from Santa Love.
And this one is for Samuel.
And Samuel, beautiful.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Thank you so
Cool,
much. Thank you. Thank
so
you,
happy.
Santa.
Yeah. I can bring those 2.
Yeah, please. Thank you. Wow.
Bad weather today.
Yeah, very bad. Snowing.
It's so slippery. Also.
Thank you. What is he? Yeah, he's coming.
He's coming? Okay.
Yeah, the red car. Yeah, in the truck. We're gonna open it. Wait, let me open it. Hi, sir.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much.
There's 1, there's 2, and this one is quite heavy though.
Oh my God.
Thank you, Santa.
So
Thank you so much, Natalie.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, you two have a great
It's
time.
gonna be a great Christmas.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Bye. Hello guys, so you can see the first gifts here. Guys, I'm really excited. I would love to know what's in those boxes, guys. So we're headed over to the second location, right? Santa gifts, Santa's Christmas presents for my kids, for us, right? For our family. Let's go, guys. Yeah.
Ça va?
Christmas party.
Well, you look too good for somebody who just
Ben,
had a
Kelly va te les
baby.
donner.
Oh, I
Look
look
at
too
you.
good, please.
That is just
Give me a bit. Just look at it. Just hold it. I'm making a video. I look so good.
You really do.
Thank you. So these are all the gifts for different families. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Mais non, ça c'est mieux quand c'est les miens qui vont finir. Oui, oui. Ah, cannu, c'est vrai.
Family
Cannu,
can.
attends. 1, 2, 3. Bravo. Tiens.
Yeah. Family cano. Thank you. Yeah, beautiful gifts. We appreciate everything from Santa. It's so thoughtful, yeah. That love from Santa. So tomorrow pajamas party at the
Yeah, 9:30 to 1, yeah. Yeah, right here, right behind. In the basement.
yeah. Thank you guys. Bye. Bye. Yeah. So guys, you know the second place we went to pick up these kids Christmas gifts from Santa. So I'm gonna show you guys what we have. Guys, look. What's there? Chris. So this is Chris's gift from Santa. Let me show you guys for Samuel. So for Samuel has two. This one, it says 1/2, right? And the second one is this. Look at Samuel, and this is 2/2. So for Nico has from Santa, she got this. So this is Nico. It says 1/2, right? Nico, 1/2, and then Nico, 2/2. Guys, so these are the Christmas presents we received from the other places. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, please head over to the Team Kano's channel. That's where we'll be unboxing these Christmas presents from Santa. All right, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. We love you. So guys, okay, what are these?
That's all the family.
It's for family? Yes. So guys, these are the Christmas pajamas we ordered this year. Yes. I can't really wait. Guys, we have a pajama. Shh, can you shut up? Guys, we have a pajamas party tomorrow. Yes. Watch out for that video. So I'll be unboxing these. Yeah. It came in like a week ago. So majorly I'll just show you guys for baby Chris. we already can you shut up, please? We already checked the sizes. There are our sizes here. So this for the smallest baby in this team Camo. Nicole. So this is for baby Chris. Yeah, this is it. Guys, when we checked on the website, the smallest they have was 6 months baby. So baby Chris he's about 2 months now. So we ordered this, and here you go. For Chris, right? We have for Samuel, Nico. So this is mine, and for my husband. Guys, watch out for all the activities we'll be doing with these pajamas, guys. We're gonna have some family photo shoots, and then we have some parties this Christmas. We thank God for everything, for life, for beautiful gifts from Santa, for you all my subscribers watching me, for your love and support this Christmas. Thank you for this 2022, and I hope to see you all in good health in 2023. Please give this video a thumbs up. EJTube signing out.